Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets, and I have a quick update for you on the giveaway. First of all, I want to say thank you to everybody who already came out and grabbed a hoodie, because you've already helped us raise well over $3,000 for breast cancer research. So thank you very much for doing that. If you guys don't know what's going on, we're doing a giveaway with free wheels and free tires. So we got TIS on board with any size, any finish wheels, and then Atturo Tires is kicking in any tires you want from Atturo to mount up to those bad boys. We'll ship them to you, get them mounted and balanced, all that stuff, so they're ready to go as soon as you get them. If you want to get entered to win, it's super easy. When you grab this hoodie, that's going to get you automatically entered to win. Here's the front of it. It's got the Custom Offsets logo on it, TIS logo worked in there, the breast cancer ribbon. I'll turn around so you can see the back. And then you're going to see that we got the flag with the little pink stripe in the middle for breast cancer awareness. So this month, obviously being October, wanted to really bring awareness to the breast cancer epidemic that's going on. And at the end of this contest, we're going to be making a contribution to the Susan G. Komen Foundation so that we can help those guys out and they can help everyone affected by breast cancer. So like I said, if you want to get entered, the hoodie is at customoffsets.com/giveaway. That's where you can find that. It's live right now. We only ordered 1,000 of these things, so it's a limited production item, which means when they're gone, they're gone. We're not ordering any more of these, so this is your only chance to get them. And then this contest actually ends November 11th. So on that Monday at 11 a.m., sales are done. We're not taking any more, so if you want to get entered, you got to do so before then. Now, we've already sold quite a few of these, so we're running low on sizes. So if you want to get one, I can't stress it enough, the time is now. Go grab one, pick it up, and that'll get you automatically entered to win. customoffsets.com/giveaway. November 11th, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time is when the live video is going to be to announce the winner. It'll be on Facebook and YouTube. You can check us out there. I think that's it. Tag a friend in the comments that needs to get entered if you're already entered, or tag your mom, your grandma, your aunt, your uncle, anybody who needs one of these things. Peace.